Yeah, hi, I'm Michael. I'm from Member Technology, look after the Williams AV brand, which is the hearing assistance brand that we have at Member Technology. And we're looking at the Auracast Infinium system. So, for those of you who don't know, Auracast is the biggest step forward in hearing assistance. So, it's instead of think of it like Bluetooth. So, instead of it being a one-to-one connection from your, earbuds to your phone, it's actually going to transmit to multiple devices. And this is the system here. So I've just got up to the controller. This is the BACT1 and one transmitter via a cat cable. So you can do all your cable management in here in the back. And these are our proprietary receivers as well. So you can do your channel selection. You can, if you've got biased hearing, you can change it from left to right. It also does volume. It's very ergonomic. People who are, have issues with, elderly people and stuff like that. And I don't know.
Yeah, but when you're at the AETM conference, obviously with the focus on education, so where do you see these solutions fitting into the education market?
Definitely in the university sector, they have a great place, particularly in lecture theatres. We've because this is probably the biggest leap forward in technology since, hearing systems started with loops. Lots of lecture theatres now would have either infrared or wavecast. Wavecast comes with its issues, so audio over Wi-Fi, because there can be some latency and it may not meet compliance standards. Whereas with Auracast, it's low latency. It's actually a direct connection from the transmitter to either your hearing aids or your Auracast-enabled headphones. So it's also true stereo, which is unlike all the technologies that have come before. So electricity is a perfect example because, you want to be able to, you don't want to have lip syncing issues or sort of thing. So,
listen. And just for sort of final layout questions, do you mind just talking a little bit about the importance of the AETM and how good it is to have all these education managers all in the one place?
Yeah, I think AETM's a great conference and brings all of the universities together, and it's a great place to connect and talk about issues they're facing in universities and sectors.
All right, thank you very much.